Hello, we are the students of University UTR.
My name is Angel.
My name is Leonardo.
My name is Jair.
My name is Carla.
My name is Alexis.
My name is Brandon.
And today we are going to present the topic since in class. So let's start with that.
I'm going to explain to the definition of marketing. Okay, let's start with the definition of marketing. What is marketing? It's a social process by which individual and group obtain what they need and what to create and exchange products and value with other by feeling clutter. Marketing has three elements: markets, what is being market, and target market. We have need, want, and demand. Okay, we have a need. Need is a stage of life privation of some basic sophistication like food, clothing, shelter, etc. We have a want. Wants are decided for specific satisfiers of the deeper needs. The next is demand. Demand are wants backed by ability to buy and willingness to buy. One example about this is, for example, I need to rest or sleep. The next is, I decided a soft clean bed to rest. The next is demand. A comfortable and soft intelligent bed is great.
The products and service. Product refers to a physical object and service refers to intangible object. The formula of value is the next. B represent value and B represent the price, benefits, and P price.
In this part, we have market. What is that? Market is people who share the same need or want. And we have marketing management. It's an analysis of planning, implementation, and control of programs.
Marketing system. In this concept, we have industry, market, and they share communication, goods and service, and money.
The next topic is 5 marketing concepts. The first is production cost concept, that is only produce large quantities and increase the production to cut down the cost. The next is product concept. This improve quality, performance, and features in the product. Next to this is selling concept, that is only produce and selling, and this for promote selling aggressively. Also, we have a value map. This had a perceived price and customer perceived. We have 2 areas: the area of value disadvantage area and value advantage area. If the product is in the value disadvantage areas, the customer just to perceive the price, and if the product is in the value advantage area, the customer will perceive the more benefits. Next, and the most important, is marketing concept, that this learn about what the consumer needs, and to this with the study market, then to this produce it and then sells what they need. And the last one is the societal concept, that this is focused in 3 different characteristics that the consumers want, and the society's well-being and companies' profits. Next, we have 3 levels of marketing, such as responsible marketing, anticipated marketing, and niche-shaping marketing.
So the first is responsive marketing. What is that? Responsive marketing is the person who does the demand on the consumer. For example, my mother washed the dishes, so the washing machine is created.
Next is anticipatory marketing. He say is anticipatory to do some products before the needs or wants appear.
Need shopping marketing. The broadest level of marketing occurs when a company introduces product that nobody asked for and often could not even concern it. I don't serve markets, I create them.
I'm going to explain types of marketing. The first on the differentiate marketing. What is that? Is when the product is for the old people, like you and me. For example, the basic products like the food. And differentiate marketing is when you do a different product for different person. For example, I make my vitamin for the old person. And concentrate marketing is when you do a product for group in specific. For example, the person rich or other example of that.
Well, before marketing is a marketing strategy in which the advertising efforts are focused on a small group of very specific consumers. Local marketing is a marketing strategy that focuses consumers 18 radius around a physical location with messages tailored to the local population. Individual marketing, also known as personalized marketing, involves flexibility in any organization, the ability of brand to change its behavioral pattern for an individual customer. The suite is marketing policy keeping in mind the wants of each individual.
Marketing 1.0. This type of marketing is referred to the companies only focus in the product, not the people or the needs of the different people. The sales of the products is the traditional media, for example, television and radio. Marketing 2.0. This type of marketing is referred to satisfies the necessity of the consumers. Also, make marketing studies to learn what is the necessity of the consumers. Marketing 3.0. This style is not only to satisfy the needs of that the consumer are seeking. For the company, the products or service with a social company sell products with a interactive media. Marketing 4.0. With a social purpose, the brand and the subsidy work together for a better world, brand humanization, value of the necessities of the consumers.
I talk about the types of the logos. The first, isotype, refers to the part generally iconic or more recognizable of a spatial arrangement in the design of a brand be incorporated. The examples are Apple, Pepsi, and Nike. Next is logo. It's a graphic sign identifies a company, a commercial product, sector, or in general any public or private identifier. For example, Coca-Cola, Vogue, and Google. Image type, the union of the isotype and the logo, which a brand is identified. It's a tool used to support communication process about the interior and wide the external evidence. For example, Adidas and Toyota. The final is a logo. It's a graphic identifier used to sign the communication of an identity. And ISO logo is formed by the union graphic symbol. For example, Intel and Lace.
The next sciences that correspond marketing is marketing driven and marketing driving. Marketing driven, for example, the company's focus to researching current customers to identify their problems, guarantee new ideas, develop products that result increment. The next is marketing driven. In this case, the companies generate significantly new product or service. These companies are much more than customers. They lead customers where they want to go, but don't know yet.